از وقتی و سلام. آموزش دف توسط استاد سهراب کلاهدوز در برنامه‌های آموزشی آسفکت رو از دست ندید. سابسکرایب، شیر و زنگوله یادتون نره. به خاطر داشته باشید آسفکت بستری برای آموزش پر از برنامه‌های جذاب. پس حتما ما رو دنبال کنید. آسفکت.
Hi guys, this is Sohrab Kolahdoz. Today I'm going to represent to you the daf, an old Iranian instrument. Well, first of all, I'm going to introduce myself. I was born in Iran. I'm a 33 years old musician, instructor. I used to play music since I was, as I remember, 4 years, yeah. And I've been on a stage for like more than 300 times. I used to stay in India for like 6 years when I was only 16. I'm a graduated musician from Shiraz University. So the daf, as I was saying, it started from many years ago. Mostly the Sufi people in west of Iran used to play it, and still they are playing it, like traditionally and in a Sufi way, alongside with tambour instrument. During these years, the daf came up on the stage and was mixed with other classical Iranian instruments. And for now, these years, you can play it like solo, you can do it like duet, trio, quartet, or many else. You can do the fusion, you can play it with some other Western instruments, any kind. So, the size of the daf is mostly from 25 centimeter to 50 centimeter. And it has a ring around it, which is mostly from wood. And there's a place you can put your finger. If you're a right-handed person, you can put your left finger in here. If you're a left-handed person, you can put your right hand over here. And these bottoms are for keeping the skins. And these are the rings which has other sound effect on it and has a Sufi history behind it. So, but nowadays we are still using it to get a better sound out of this beautiful instrument. So it's a frame drum instrument. Mostly the skin is made of some animal skin like goat, or it's manufactured by men, and it can be plastic, yeah, artificial. So today I'm going to give you some very simple lessons of it and give you an introduction to the sound of it, and I hope you enjoy it.
برنامه‌های آموزشی مرتب در حال ضبط‌اند و به زودی روی کانال قرار می‌گیرند. آموزش دف با سهراب کلاهدوز رو از دست ندید. آسفکت.
All right, about the lessons. We have 3 main sections on it. You know, there are 3 parts only. I say it's a daf language, so it has only 3 alphabets. One is called tone, the bass. You can take out the bass sound out of this round instrument only by holding four fingers, stick together, and I'm sorry for the language because this is my second language, so I'm pretty sure that you can understand whatever I'm saying. I'm trying my best. All right. So it's been like 12 years I didn't talk in English. All right, let's just get back to the lessons. You can tear around your hand from your elbow. Do not hold up your hand. It's just that simple. That simple. Just do the distance from the thumb finger to the index finger. Yeah, like this. Exactly. This is Tom. I'm a right-handed person. Second one is left. And call left. Remember, when you play this one, the rings inside of it are not supposed to hit the skin. So you have to get out a neat sound, all right? It's not like this. It has to be. And the third one and the last one is back. It gives you a neat sound and treble sound, all right? Is same with the right hand, the right, same instruction. You just need to turn around, that's it. Keep your two fingers next to each other, the ring finger and the middle one. So, from the beginning, Tom, chop or lift, and the back. And also, there is fourth part separately for the rings, like this. Or you can play it or only alone with it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed and stayed with me till here, so I'll be glad if you push that bell button and subscribe me for the next session, which I'll be glad to be with you and just make these lovely videos for you. All right, so I'm gonna give you a 4x4 rhythm. It's like 1, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. It's 1, 2, 1. All right. You can put the metronome on 60. The tempo I'm talking about, you can put it on 60, all right? So 1, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. If you got well on this, you can increase the speed, like, and you'll get this after practicing hard, for sure.
اگه تا اینجا از برنامه لذت بردید، سابسکرایب، شیر و زنگوله یادتون نره. برای قطعی زیبا از استاد میشنویم تکنوازی دف.
Alright guys, I'm going to give you a solo, and if you like this video, I can give you at the end of each session a solo for you guys. I hope you enjoy it.